So I'm just going to make this last lecture very short and just kind of put this in perspective. East and South Asia in the early 20th century map here. And we see that Taiwan ends up becoming a part of Japan. So now the issue for China is that Taiwan is always a part of China. And now America helped it become independent of China after the Chinese Civil War with communists versus the nationalists, which we'll get to later. Okay, but also, the very contentious issue of Taiwan. Taiwan was really neither Chinese, actually, in terms of indigenous population, or Japanese. The Wuxi Rebellion of October 1930 was the last major uprising against colonial Japanese forces in Taiwan. This is a very terrible picture, and I'm sorry to show you this. But to give you an idea, the Japanese brutally suppressed the indigenous people of Taiwan. There's a movie made about this. I had this put on here and now it's not working. But Warriors of the Rainbow, official trailer. If you write that into YouTube, and I might look for that, you can kind of get a glimpse of that. So now Chinese really dominate Taiwan. Ethnic Chinese, Han Chinese, though Taiwan is not part of China. And at the same time, I'm just kind of pointing out that the actual indigenous people of Taiwan are almost never thought about or talked about. And so again, these things will kind of help bring in together things that are going to happen in World War I and World War II. Okay, so yeah, I really hate that picture. All right, and so that is what's most important here. And then the video you're going to watch, very boring in terms of its pace, but the Meiji period of Japan is very important, and that's why I'm emphasizing it. Okay? Alrighty.